In front of me I have Forever iGO JW-100 watch, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the Do Not Disturb mode on this device. If you want to enable the Do Not Disturb mode on this device, your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the Forever Go Fit application. Once the devices are paired, you can open the application on your phone, then tap on this icon right here in the top left corner to open the menu, and right here you have device, and as you can see it says JW-100, that's our watch. So let's select this watch, this device, by tapping on it. Oh, now it disappeared for no reason. Oh, now it's back. Okay, let's select it. And as you can see here we have the settings page for our JW-100 for our watch. And on this page we have Do Not Disturb mode. Tap on this option. And here we can enable the Do Not Disturb mode by tapping the switch, like that, and then tapping confirm. And we can disable it by tapping the switch again and tapping confirm. Also, you can customize the time range in which the Do Not Disturb mode will be enabled. And to do it, simply open this menu again, the Do Not Disturb mode. Here you have the starting hour on which the Do Not Disturb mode will be turning on, and you can swipe up and down to select the hour. For example, I'm gonna select something like 9 p.m. and then the hour on which it's gonna be turning off, for example, something like 6:30 a.m. And once I'm done, I'm gonna also enable the Do Not Disturb mode and tap on confirm. And now my Do Not Disturb mode will turn on at 9 p.m. and turn off at 6:30 a.m. And of course, to disable it, simply tap on this again and tap confirm. And that's how you enable the Do Not Disturb mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.